Hey, good morning. Make sure today we're going to start reading our story out of the book. Make sure that you follow directions. When it says review and read carefully, I've given you exact instructions for how to open up the e-textbooks, putting in your bundle code if you haven't already done that. You can't read the book until you put the bundle code on there. So I've given you that again. I gave it to you last week, but I gave it to you again. Make sure that you read carefully so you can access that. We are going to read the story. There is audio on there, so you can listen as you follow along on the book. So you can make sure that you do that. When you are finished, there are some questions about characters and setting. There's also an inference question, so you probably need to go over that word. When you infer something, that simply means they didn't come out and tell you exactly. You have to think about what you already know and what you see and what you've heard or what you've read, and then come up to some solution about that. For instance, if someone came into the classroom and their hair was really messed up and they had sleepers in their eyes and maybe they were dressed not the best, you could infer that they had overslept, or maybe that they weren't feeling good. So by what you look and what you see and what you hear, what you read today, you're going to have to make some inferences about two of the people in our story. Okay, so checked your vocab words, you turned them in. Some of your sentences weren't quite right, but at least you got that done, so that's good. You should be working on your perfect paragraph, and you should be probably about done with that, typing that up. So make sure you do that because that's worth a lot of points. That was probably due yesterday, but if you don't have it done, you really need to work hard and get that done. If you have any questions about that, make sure that you email me. Today in Social Studies, we're going to read the last section of Chapter 1, which is called 1.3, and there are questions about it, and I don't think I've put them on Google Classroom, so I'll try to do that sometime before this afternoon when we have Social Studies. So we need to do those things, and again, if you have any questions, email me and I'll get back with you as quickly as I can. Okay? Have a great day.